Marry me, baby.
Angela and Ivan, you are in violation of Regulation 101.
Yes. 1,000 times yes.
Angela and Ivan, kneel down now.
I love you, baby.
I love you too. Always.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. These days, AI short dramas are generating millions of views across the internet. But creating a complete AI short drama usually requires multiple AI tools, editing software, and a significant amount of time. What if you could start with just a single idea and generate the script, characters, scenes, storyboard, and a fully cinematic video, all on one platform? And what if the challenge was to create 2 complete episodes in under 1 hour? In today's video, I'm going to take on that exact challenge using Buzzy Canvas. Let's get started. First, open the Buzzy AI website and log into your account. You can visit the website directly using the link I've included in the description below. Once logged in, we're taken to the main Buzzy dashboard. This is where you can enter your prompt, choose your project type, and begin creating any AI video. As we scroll down, you'll find examples of AI films and branding ads, giving you a great look at the platform's output quality and creative styles. Next, let's take a look at the model section, one of Buzzy's most powerful features. Here you'll find the latest Seedance 2.5 model, optimized for stunning 4K cinematic quality video generation. You also have Seedance 2.0, which is an excellent option for smooth, motion-focused video creation. Depending on your project's needs, you can easily choose the model that best fits your workflow. Below that, you'll find the animation and MV and explainer categories, showcasing additional content styles and creative examples. The Get Inspirations section provides trending ideas and creative references to help spark new projects. Further down, the Seedance New Arrivals section highlights the latest community creations and trending videos. You'll also find categories for music videos and UGC ads, featuring a variety of marketing and promotional content examples. And as you continue scrolling, you'll discover even more UGC ads and studio portrait examples, making it easy to explore different types of AI-generated content. Since our goal today is to create an AI short drama, I'll head back to the prompt box and start a new project. Here you'll notice 3 important options. First is Agent Mode, which understands your prompt and automates the entire production workflow. You also have Video Generator and Image Generator modes available. For this project, I'm using Agent Mode and keeping the content type set to AI Film, since we're creating a complete AI short drama. Now I'll enter a detailed prompt. I'm asking Buzzy to create a 2-episode CEO versus intern short drama. The prompt includes the storyline, characters, emotional twists, cinematic scenes, and a cliffhanger ending so the AI can generate a well-structured narrative. The prompt is ready, so I'll click Generate. As soon as I do, Buzzy automatically begins setting up the project. First, it opens the Set Up Your Short Drama panel, where I can customize the project's core settings. The first option is Aspect Ratio. Multiple formats are available, including 21:9, 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, and 9:16. Since I'm creating a cinematic YouTube video, I'll choose 16:9. Next is the Direction section, where you can choose different visual styles such as cinematic realism, film noir, vintage film, and commercial studio style. I'll go with cinematic realism to achieve a realistic, movie-quality look below. That is the duration setting, with options like under 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, and 1 to 3 minutes. For this demo, I'll select 30 to 60 seconds. With all the settings configured, I'll click Confirm and let Buzzy generate the project. As soon as the settings are confirmed, Buzzy analyzes the prompt and begins building the entire storyline automatically. On the left, you can see each step being processed in sequence. It first develops the story, then creates the script outline and narrative structure. This shows that Buzzy doesn't simply generate text. It intelligently organizes the complete story. On the right, the full screenplay is now ready. It includes the story title, main plot, chapter-by-chapter breakdown, scene descriptions, camera directions, and visual flow, making the entire production process much faster and more structured. Now that the script is complete, we have two options on the left. If you want to make changes, simply click Edit Video Script. Since I'm happy with the result, I'll go straight to Generate Characters and Scenes. Buzzy now analyzes the script and automatically creates the characters, environments, and scene references. On the left, you can follow the generation progress as it builds character profiles first, followed by scene references and visual anchors. This creates the visual foundation for the entire story. A few moments later, everything is complete. On the right, you can see that Buzzy has generated reference images for every main character, along with important locations like the office and CEO's office. These references help maintain visual consistency throughout the storyboard and final video. The generated characters and scenes are listed on the left. If you'd like to make changes, simply click Edit Characters and Scenes. Since I'm satisfied with the results, I'll move directly to Generate Storyboard. Buzzy now automatically creates the complete visual storyboard. On the left, every storyboard frame is organized in sequence, making it easy to review or edit individual shots whenever needed. On the right, the complete storyboard is ready. Every frame includes camera composition, character placement, and scene progression, allowing you to preview the entire story visually before generating the final video. Once the storyboard is complete, Buzzy also provides several powerful editing tools to further enhance individual shots. I'll select a storyboard frame and access the enhancement options. Here you'll find AI-powered features such as multi-angle, lighting, 9-grid, grid split, and upscale, allowing you to make every shot even more cinematic. Let's start with multi-angle. When the multi-angle editor opens, you'll see a variety of built-in camera presets, including fisheye view, tilted view, high-angle front, low-angle front, panoramic top-down, and back view. If you need more control, Custom Mode allows you to manually adjust camera movement using settings like horizontal orbit, vertical pitch, and shot scale. For this demonstration, I'll choose the high-angle front preset and click Generate. Buzzy automatically creates a new version of the selected frame with a completely different camera perspective. On the left is the original frame, while on the right, you can see the AI-generated high-angle version. Notice that the character remains the same, but the camera framing and perspective have changed entirely. This allows you to generate multiple cinematic camera angles without recreating the entire scene. Next, let's see how the lighting feature can instantly transform the mood of the same shot. Buzzy offers two lighting modes, perspective and front. Perspective lighting adapts to the camera angle and scene depth, while front lighting illuminates the subject directly from the front. For this demo, I'll use perspective. Since it creates a more natural cinematic look, you can also adjust brightness, color, and control the key light direction from the left, right, top, bottom, or back. I'll position the key light behind the subject and enable rim light to make the lighting difference more noticeable. Now I'll click Generate. Within seconds, Buzzy creates an enhanced version of the same frame with updated lighting. The camera angle and composition remain unchanged, but the mood and overall atmosphere are dramatically improved. With built-in AI controls like multi-angle and lighting, you can customize each shot exactly the way you want, giving your final video a much more polished and cinematic appearance. Now that the storyboard and shot customization are complete, let's move on to the final video generation. I'll click Generate Video. Buzzy now processes the entire storyboard, camera angles, and lighting settings to automatically render the complete cinematic video. Within a short time, all of the video clips are successfully generated. On the left, each chapter is organized into separate clips that can be previewed, edited, upscaled, or regenerated individually whenever needed. In addition, Buzzy supports multiple AI video models, giving you the flexibility to choose the best one for your project. From here, I can switch between different models and compare their outputs based on my specific requirements. For example, the latest Seedance 2.5 is available, offering advanced AI video generation, smoother motion, and high-quality cinematic results. If your project calls for a different style or workflow, switching to any of the supported models is quick and seamless. Once all the clips are ready, I'll use the Merge All Video command. Buzzy automatically combines every clip according to the storyboard sequence, creating one seamless final video without requiring any manual timeline editing. Within moments, the complete AI short drama is ready. The final output maintains smooth story progression, strong character consistency, cinematic camera composition, and impressive visual quality throughout the entire sequence. Let's watch the final result.
Why me? I'm just an intern.
There is something about your past that you don't know.
Your father built this algorithm, Maya.
You used me to get to his work!
Overall, the output looks fantastic. The transitions from storyboard to the finished cinematic video are smooth, the story flows naturally, and character consistency is maintained across every scene. Before we wrap up, here's an official showcase of Seedance 2.5, now available on Buzzy. It delivers enhanced cinematic quality, smoother motion, and more realistic AI video generation. If you're looking to create even more professional AI videos, Seedance 2.5 is definitely worth checking out. Buzzy overall if you're creating AI short dramas, cinematic films, or any type of AI-powered creative video, Buzzy simplifies the entire production workflow in one platform. From your initial story idea to the final rendered video, and even managing multiple projects, everything can be handled efficiently in a single workspace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.